So this is the recent poetry that I wrote, and it is dedicated to people or the sector which maybe which we tend to overlook because we think कि इनका तो ध्यान है हमारा ध्यान इनका काम है हमारा ध्यान रखना. तो it's titled Conversations with the Therapist. So your therapist said this is your last phase of grieving, that you're healing, that you have finally taken a step towards moving on. She said, now you're grieving the loss. All that was bottled up is coming out. Things can only get better from here on. You want to believe in her badly. Your therapist is cute. She makes weird references. It makes you laugh in the middle of the breakdown. Sometimes it feels like you are trauma dumping on her. Sometimes you feel like asking her if she's truly okay, if her patient's stories haunt her at night. When it does she have someone to hug? How does she live through the workday? It must be overwhelming. Does she have a happy lunchtime? Or the afterthoughts of sessions do not let her swallow the morsels down her throat? Does her loved ones keep a check on her, ask her if she has been all right? Does she also go to another therapist? Or the rule book has her sorted? Or this everything is simply what she gets you billed for? That everything here is just another paycheck for her? Is she really that detached? Sometimes you look into her eyes to find out your answers. And in that moment, you forget that you were grieving. That's it.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है।
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया।
देखा वंदना जी कितना डीप लिखती है। बट कृष्णा एक बात बताओ, मतलब आपने ये सोचा कैसे, ये कॉन्सेप्ट कैसे सोचा आपने, मतलब हाउ
Okay.
या
Yeah. There is this counselor in my college. I think every college has their counselor for the well-being of their students. So I go visit her sometimes to have conversations, or if I am dealing with something, to share with her. And I find her very cute and chubby, and she's very nice always. And there was this one time when I booked an appointment with her, and she told that come at 3 in the afternoon. So I was like, okay. And when I knocked at her door, she was like, come in. And then she was, head down कर रखा था उन्होंने, and she was almost sleeping. And I asked her कि if it is all right कि मैं दूसरे दिन आ जाऊँ या बाद में आ जाऊँ, because you look tired, and it's okay, I can come tomorrow. So she was like, no, 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 come in, ये तो चलता रहता है. So I just felt कि मतलब I don't know.
अच्छा
जो
अच्छा।
हमारा ख्याल रखते हैं उनका ख्याल कौन
हाँ,
रखे।
तो ये पोएट्री आपने उनको मतलब प्रेजेंट करी है उनके लिए लिखी है आपने ये,
हाँ, मैंने लिखा
डेडिकेटेड
था.
टू हर।
Yeah, you can say it was inspired from her. And then I met her again. मतलब met her क्या, मतलब I just came across her 2-3 दिन बाद after I wrote this poetry, and she smiled at me and asked me again, how are you? So I was like, I wrote something for you, I don't know if you will like it or not. So she read it, and she was almost in tears. She was in tears. She because she was the counselor there, and she thought that it's not okay for to cry in front of a student. So she directly went inside her cabin, and then from there she started texting me that she was so overwhelmed, and can she share this poem in her story if it's okay. And
Oh,
I
sweet.
realized that how much we overlook people that who take care of us. And yeah.
You know something, Krishna? There's something, that life has taught me personally too. And this is how I see this, Ki we are forgetting in our everyday life that we are all supposed to be each other's therapist. And then we we just like to go and burden that one person, thinking that person knows the entire universe, which is so wrong. But ideally, अगर आप families में लो, friends लो, anybody and everybody learns the fact that I need to be the other person's therapist. आप therapist होने के लिए you don't have to be a professional. You just have to, कभी कभार therapist बनने के लिए you just need a listening ear. कभी कभार therapist बनने के लिए you just need somebody to hug you. You know? ये छोटी छोटी बातें हैं जो हम लोग हमारी जिंदगी में भूलते जा रहे हैं. और ये इस कॉन्सेप्ट को, ये थेरेपिस्ट के कॉन्सेप्ट को ना वेस्टर्नाइज किए जा रहे हैं हमारे अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड, आई फील. या आई मीन,
I'm sorry, Deepti, but
I
I
can
completely differ. I completely differ.
जी,
Have you ever undergone therapy? I'm sorry to ask if that's a personal question. You
no, I
refuse to
haven't
reply.
undergone any
So I
therapy.
have undergone therapy
I
almost
see.
2 to 3 years.
Okay.
And
And
do
this
not
was for
know
what,
the
Vandana ji?
skills that I would not like to share.
I see. Okay.
But
Okay.
the thing is that the role of a therapist can only be performed by a therapist. Nobody else can perform that. A hug from someone, a chat with someone, a listening ear is very comforting on your daily basis. You know, you immediately need that person. But the role of the therapist is to is something else. They somehow have those I would say a framework to handle that. They are trained
You've
professionals.
undergone hypnosis and stuff like that, all the technical aspects of it?
No, I have not. No. I
No,
have
none of
not
them.
undergone
Okay.
hypnosis. Hypnosis. I have not taken any clinical medication. I did not have any clinical depression or anything. I needed help. I realized I needed help, and it took me a long time to admit that I needed help. When I started taking therapy, the person that you're seeing today, at least Rajesh ji knows me for last 3 years, I think. I have grown tremendously in last 3 years after I taking therapy. She made me sort out the entire chaos in my mind into buckets, compartmentalize. This is the thing that you need to see. This is the thing you do not need to bother about. And just a second, sorry.
Yeah.
So I think I have a different opinion altogether.
No,
All-
that's
That's
perfectly
okay.
fine.
That's okay.
No,
No
that's
all
problem.
of us
absolutely
should-
fine.
No, I
ये
see
मैं
that.
इसलिए बोल रही थी वंदना जी,
Hmm.
because see, I'm personally an NLP practitioner.
Okay.
Okay. Or I have learned a bit of hypnosis and stuff like that. Or and I didn't say this from a professional aspect.
Exactly.
I just said कि we are forgetting to make this our natural nature
That I
of
agree.
being caring to people.
So
मैं सिर्फ
compassion
ये
is something which
the
is
compassion is what is
developed.
missing
Yeah.
in daily life is
Yes,
what I was
I
trying to
agree.
say. From
I
a
agree.
therapist point of view, आपको भी पता नहीं लगेगा कि जब वो थेरेपी आप पर कर रहे होते हैं ना, so they use these little techniques to get into your head where the blocks जो होते हैं आपके माइंड के, वो निकालने के लिए हम लोग various kind of therapies करते हैं, जिनके बारे में टेक्निकली आपको बताया नहीं जा सकता क्योंकि आप जानोगे नहीं कि ये टेक्निकली हो कैसे रहा है. बट आइडियली ये चलाया जाता है हर थेरेपी में, सब पर ये चलाया जाता है. पर मैं बस इतना कह रही हूँ कि इस लेवल तक जाने की जरूरत इसलिए पड़ रही है हम लोगों को आजकल, बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव दैट बेसिक टाइम फॉर ईच
Yeah.
अदर.
Because empathy or
That's what I
compassion
was,
is
yeah.
really- yeah.
That's
That
just
that part I agree.
हाँ.
And in fact, when Krishna was reading that poem, that's the only thing that was coming to my mind, that she is one, compassionate soul who could
Yeah.
actually,
Yeah.
feel
Yes.
the pain of the caregiver.
That's right.
Not many
That's
people
right.
who feel the pain of the caregiver.
Yeah.
चलिए,
True.
okay. राकेश जी.
Krishna, the first observation is that you have a golden heart. Nowadays, all of us are so self-centered. We only
Yeah.
want to care about ourselves and
Yes.
our close family members, near and dear one. But you are a different person. You are caring even for those who are not related to you, who are not a part of your family or your friend circle. So this quality of caring for others is beautiful. And your poem was very nice. There's a lot of depth in your poem. Your observation is very, very sharp. So I really enjoyed your poem. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
मनीष
Thank
जी.
you, ma'am. Thank you, Vani.
कृष्णा, आपकी पोएम बहुत अच्छी है, बहुत डीप है और मैं बस ये कहूंगा कि ये आपने एक अपने जो है काउंसलर को देख के लिखी है, पर ये मेरे हिसाब से हर उस इंसान पे अप्लाई हो सकती है जो हमें सपोर्ट कर रहा है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, मेरे घर की मेड,
राइट।
अगर मैं बैठ के सोचूं कि इसके घर का काम कौन करता होगा, पूरे दिन तो ये बाहर घूमती रहती है, दूसरों की सपोर्ट करती रहती है, इसके घर में खाना कौन बनाता होगा, इसके बच्चों को कौन पढ़ाता होगा, दिमाग में हम लाते ही नहीं है, हम इतना सोचते ही नहीं है इन सब लोगों के लिए। जो
करेक्ट।
हमारे जो बाहर घर पे हमारी सोसाइटी में जो हमें हेल्प करने आते हैं, जो कूड़ा उठाने वाले होते हैं, इतने सारे लोग होते हैं जो हमें डायरेक्टली इनडायरेक्टली हेल्प करते हैं। तो आपने जो ऑब्जर्वेशन लिखा है ये बहुत अच्छा है। और मैं बस एक पॉइंट पे बात कहूंगा, जो दीप्ति कह रही थी और वंदना जी जो थेरेपिस्ट की बात हो रही थी, कि जब छोटी छोटी चोटें डेली बेसिस के ऊपर हैंडल नहीं होती तो फिर वो नासूर बन जाती हैं, और फिर उस नासूर के लिए फिर आपको स्पेशलिस्ट के पास जाना
स्पेशलिस्ट के
पड़ता है।
जान, या यही होता है।
तो हम डेली उन वॉर्म्स को हील करते रहें तो शायद
हाँ हाँ।
उनकी कम जरूरत पड़े, पर हाँ,
यस,
उनका थेरेपिस्ट का रोल जो है वो ट्रिमेंडस है। वो जो कर सकते हैं वो हम नहीं कर सकते।
सही बात
बिल्कुल
है,
सही।
सही बात है।
थैंक यू।
चलिए,
या
बहुत बढ़िया। थैंक यू सो मच कृष्णा। देखा,
थैंक यू।
पहली
वेरी
पोएट्री
नाइस
से ही
कृष्णा, आई लव्ड इट, आई
हाँ,
लव्ड इट,
मजा आ गया। मतलब
आई
पहली
टोटली
पोएट्री से
लव्ड
इतना
इट।
भयंकर डिस्कशन जनरेट करवा दिया तुमने।